Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Today we are going to discuss the topics of blocks. Okay, what is blocks? Okay, let G be a connected graph on three or more vertices. Okay, G is said to be separable. Okay, separable if it has at least one cut vertex. Okay, you must have one cut vertex. Otherwise, G is non-separable. Okay, if there is no cut vertex, means that the G is non-separable. A maximal non-separable connected subgraph of G is called a block of G. Alright? Okay, let me see the examples. Okay, given the examples of G, alright, so if you see here, okay, if you see the example here, the graph of, okay, G, where is the cut vertex of this graph? Okay, we can see that C is the cut vertex. Okay. Okay, if so we can cut the vertex of C, so we can get this block A, B, C and C, D, E. Okay, let's see either D is a cut vertex or not. And E also. D and E is not a cut vertex. Okay, because if you cut the vertex, it is not a non-separable. So it has only, this graph G1 have only two blocks, right? Okay. Okay. So DEF is not non-separable but non-maximal non-separable. So hence not a blocks. Yeah. Alright. So let's say graph G2. Okay, this graph also is non-separable. Hence, it's only a block of itself. Okay, if you see this is not a cut vertex. Alright. Also, this vertex is not cut vertex. So this is non-separable. So there is only one block. Okay, so let's see graph of G1B. Okay, G1, if you see here, you have, this is cut vertex. So you can separate this into one block. Okay, and then you also have this cut vertex. So you have another B2 block. Okay, and then you have another B4 block and B3 because of these two cut vertex. So for this one, it only have two cut vertex. Okay, cut vertex, it said, let's say the cut vertex is at, okay, this is, let's say this is C and this is D. So the cut vertex is, what is the cut vertex of this graph? So the cut vertex is okay, the cut vertex is C and D only. Okay, so for this graph, how many blocks? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is 4 blocks. Alright, so what is the properties of the blocks? The properties of the blocks is, number 1, an edge of cycle cannot itself be a block. Okay, edge of a cycle cannot itself be a block since it is a larger subgraph with no cut vertex. Hence, an edge of a block, if and only if it is a cut edge. The blocks of a tree are its edges. Okay, number 2. If a block has more than 2 vertices, then it is two connected. Okay. The blocks of a loopless graph are isolated vertices. It cuts edges and maximal to connected subgraph. Alright. Okay. So we have proposition here. Okay, the blocks in a graph share a most one vertex. Okay, example. Okay, example. Share a most one vertex. Okay, example. This is one vertex. One vertex. So we have 3 blocks, B1, B2, and B3. We have 3 blocks that cut 2 vertex. And for this graph of B2, this is 1 block, 2 block, and 3 block. Okay, so B1 and B2 share a vertex, and so B6 and B5 and B3. Alright. But B2, B4, and B6 do not share any vertex with other blocks. Okay? Okay. If G is a cut vertex with at least one cut vertex, at least 2 of the blocks of G contain exactly one cut vertex. These are called end blocks. Okay, example B1 and B2 are end blocks of G4. Okay, example. So this is the end blocks. Okay, this is end blocks. Alright. Okay, so that's all for the end blocks. Next is network flow problems. Okay, hopes that all of you understand this topic today. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this channel. Alhamdulillah.